सिटीजन फॉर फोर्सेज के हमारे जितने भी कार्यकर्ता कारगिल विजय दिवस के इस राष्ट्रीय पर्व को मनाने के लिए जोश, जुनून और उत्साह के साथ उन भारत की ननिहालों का, उन भारत के नौजवानों का जिन्होंने अपने जीवन के बलिदान देकर के, अपने जीवन की आहुतियां देकर के, अपने आप को भारत माता के चरणों में अर्पित करके भारत की एकता, अखंडता और संप्रभुता को बचाया, उनके प्रति अपनी कृतज्ञता प्रकट करने के लिए और अपना मातृभूमि के लिए संकल्प व्यक्त करने के लिए कारगिल विजय दिवस पर यहाँ संगठित हुए हैं। ये सच है कि हमारे सिस्टम में, हमारी व्यवस्था में जो सम्मान हमारी फोर्सेस को मिलना चाहिए, जो प्रतिष्ठा मिलनी चाहिए, जो गौरव मिलना चाहिए, उससे कहीं ना कहीं वो वंचित रह जाते हैं। ये ठीक है कि कोशिशें की जाती हैं कि जो है हमारे उन सैनिकों को जो अपने देश के लिए शहादत देते हैं, अपने प्राणों को न्यौछावर करके भारत का गौरव बढ़ाते हैं, क्योंकि जीवन से ज्यादा प्रिय कुछ भी नहीं होता। अपना सब कुछ दांव पर लगा करके व्यक्ति जीवन को बचाता है। यदि किसी के पास में 1 लाख रुपए भी है तो 5 लाख कर्ज लेकर के जीवन को बचाए। किसी के पास 1 करोड़ रहे हैं, उसको पता है कि 5-10 करोड़ खर्च करके मेरी जिंदगी बच सकती है, तो उसको बचाएगा। मैंने सब कुछ दांव पर लगा देता है अपनी जिंदगी बचाने के लिए। जो देश को बचाने के लिए अपने जीवन को दांव पर लगा देते हैं, इससे बड़ा त्याग, इससे बड़ा तप, इससे बड़ा बलिदान कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता। इसलिए हमारे यहाँ पर शहादत को सबसे ऊंचा माना जाता है और देश के लिए अपने शहादत देने वाले वीरों को हम याद करें, उनसे प्रेरणा लें, उनके प्रति कृतज्ञता का भाव रखें और उनको कभी भी ऐसा महसूस ना हो कि वो जिंदगी के किसी भी मुहाने पर अकेले हैं। देश के जवान उनके साथ में, पूरा हिंदुस्तान उनके साथ में है, हम आपके साथ में हैं। और यदि कहीं सिस्टम की चूक की वजह से कहीं पर भी जरा सा कोई ऐसा भी अवसर आ जाए कि उनको न्यायपूर्ण सम्मान नहीं मिला है, तो भी विचलित नहीं होना। हमें अपने ध्येय पर आगे बढ़ते जाना है। और एक तो वो भारत था जो आज सिकुड़ते सिकुड़ते 33 लाख वर्ग किलोमीटर में वापस सिकुड़ गया, नहीं तो 1 करोड़ वर्ग किलोमीटर की हमारी सीमाएं थी। अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान से लेकर के बर्मा देश, बांग्लादेश से लेकर के वियतनाम तक। इधर हम अपने मित्र देशों को देखें तो तिब्बत से लेकर के, मंगोलिया से लेकर के और दक्षिण में जावा, सुमित्रा, बाली, इंडोनेशिया और कंबोडिया तक। ये इतना बड़ा विशाल क्षेत्र भारत का। अब जितना भारत पता है, इसकी 1-1 इंच जमीन की हमें हिफाजत करनी है। अब इसको आगे खंड खंड नहीं होने देना, इसको अखंड रखना और अपने नॉलेज से, अपने पुरुषार्थ से और अपनी जिम्मेदारी से, समझदारी से और अपनी बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण भागीदारी से, बड़ी भूमिका से हम इस देश को आगे बढ़ाना है। सब इसी दिशा में मिलकर के काम कर रहे हैं। और एक बार पुनः सब जवानों को जो बहुत ऊंचे हौसले के साथ इस अभियान में लगे, मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
I attended the program of Citizen for Forces once in Constitution Club. The aim and the object for which this NGO held the show was very much touching. We are the first person to touch the forces and aggrieved forces people are the men who have life for the country, particularly Kargil. I was invited by Mr. Ankit Gupta. Although I was not much interested to spare time in the evening because my office is in the evening, but on his persuasion I attended. In case I would have not attended the program, it was sure that I was missing something. The way this NGO is working, and particularly all young boys with no hidden agenda, with no hidden interest, with no hidden popularity. They all were participating as they were participating from the core of heart. And it was touching the scene and the parade on that, and you are proud of the guys. Very good.
मैं सिटीजन फॉर फोर्सेस के नेशनल कन्वीनर अंकित को बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं कि जिस मिशन पे जा रहे हैं कारगिल के अपने एक्सपेडिशन को लेके, अपनी टीम को लेके, वो कामयाब हो, सफल हो। और ये मैं देख रहा हूँ पिछले 3 साल से बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और पूरे देश में और दिल्ली में भी सबको इनका मैसेज होता है कि जो शहीद हो गए हैं देश के लिए, उनको बड़ी रिगार्ड्स देने के लिए, उनको याद करने के लिए उस कारगिल दिवस जो बनाते हैं ये हर साल इंडिया गेट के ऊपर, ये बड़ी अच्छी एक भावना है जिससे कि देश के नौजवानों को या यूथ को बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है ताकि वो देश के लिए कुछ करें और आगे बढ़े। तो मैं इस मिशन को और अंकित को, इसकी पूरी टीम को बड़ी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। ये बड़े कामयाब हो, ये बड़ा सफल हो इनका ये कारगिल का विजिट।
Well, at the outset, I would like to compliment Ankit and his NGO, Citizen for Forces. They are doing an honest job of projecting good deeds of the armed forces. I know Ankit for quite some time, and I think his commitment towards projecting the armed forces in good light it augurs very well for the armed forces and for the nation. I would like to say a few words about my last tenure as a GOC of 15 Corps, commonly called as Chinar Corps. I commanded for 1 complete year, and we went through a lot of sensitive times. Most important was the hanging of Afzal Guru. The entire nation was worried what will be the condition in Kashmir Valley. People were fearing that Kashmir Valley will be on boil. But with the synergized effort of all the security forces, which includes the Army, JKP, that is Jammu and Kashmir Police, the CRPF, other agencies and civil administration, particularly the civil administration of Jammu and Kashmir, they were very, very supportive, and in a joint effort, we managed the situation very well. We effectively contained and controlled the situation, and it is up to the nation now to realize how well the situation was controlled. Overall, the security forces, the Chinar Corps, achieved tremendous success in all the operations. We were able to eliminate very high number of top terrorist leaders, which has almost broken the backbone of terrorism and terrorist organizations in the valley. Overall, there is a greater amount of stability and peace in the valley, and I am sure as the days go by, with the collective effort of everyone, I am sure the valley will usher in greater peace and prosperity and happy times ahead. As regards Ankit's trip to Kumathang, that is in the Raj area, where we have the Kargil Memorial. Again, I think it is a fantastic idea to go there and highlight the supreme sacrifice made by our force in recapturing those heights from the Pakistani intruders. And it is one of the most noble profession and the dedication displayed by all ranks, particularly the young officers and also the soldiers. At such dizzy heights, we were able to recapture those heights occupied by the intruders. And at this juncture, I would also like to convey my deepest condolence to all the martyrs, particularly my nephew, Amit Verma, whose father is here. He also made a supreme sacrifice in defending our motherland. And I wish the NGO the best of times, and I wish you all the success in your endeavors in protecting the security forces.
I, as a citizen of this country, would not like to sit idly and see things go by, for better or for worse. Therefore, now as a citizen of this country, I came to know about this fantastic NGO called C4F, and it has been a wonderful journey so far. We gel together, we understand each other, and we have the passion to put things right. And we will, because we can. I changed a saying which used to be, where there is a will, there is a way. I feel where there is a way, we have the will. And therefore, we, that is I and C4F together, have found the way. And we have the will to put things right. I have been in constant touch with a number of members of C4F and other sister organizations, and I find personally that the future of this country, which lies with the younger generation, of which this country is so proud of, is safe in their hands. I wish them all the luck, and for whatever, better or for worse, I am with them in every aspect, shoulder to shoulder, hand in hand. As regards this trip to Kargil, for me it is going down memory lane, as I have served. I am born, I have been brought up in these very mountains. My love for the mountains is unparalleled for anything else. I have been to every spot where they are going, and the sheer natural beauty of each of these spots gives us the strength and courage to defend it to the last drop of blood. And that is what C4F is all about. They will convey this message of the people in uniform to the citizens of India after having conducted this tour of 7 days or 8 days. I, and on behalf of all my organizations that I work with, wish them all the very best, the best of luck, Godspeed, and happy landings.
Citizen for Forces, a youth organization headed by Ankit Gupta, came into contact with us 3 years back when we were commemorating the valor, grit and determination for the Kargil war heroes who laid down their lives, as well as all those soldiers who took part in it. On 26th of July every year, we have been commemorating an event at Amar Jawan Jyoti, and Citizen for Forces have been taking active part into it. For the last 3 years, we have associated ourselves with them, and they have with us. In fact, it's an organization to bring home the glory of the soldier and reclaim the respect which is due to the soldier who protects this country's integrity and sovereignty. We wish them the very best. They are now planning this year to go to Kargil expedition during this Kargil war, and we wish them one of the events. In fact, a large number of events we have planned every year, and this year also. We will be going to various colleges and schools to inform the people of India about the soldiering and soldiers who protect the country's integrity. Also, we'll be carrying out blood donation camps, as well as organ donations, and also poetry and presentation of various battles across the city at various places. And these expeditions, which C4, that is Citizen for Forces, the boys have been very, very I would say patriots to the country, seeing them at the India Gate with that josh, with that feelings, that fervor, that the youth respects the soldier, and they are always there for us. We as veterans, wish them the very best. And I'm sure when they will go there, they will see their heroes where they laid their lives and the heroes which fought the Kargil war, where the Pakistani soldiers deceptively carried out an invasion to our country, and our soldiers of the country of all three services threw them back, evicted them, and the last man was out on the 26th July that year. We once again wish them the very best, and I'm sure that citizen forces will grow in length and breadth in the country as well as countries abroad. I remember last year when Ankit rang me up in the evening and said, sir, that there will be a live program in foreign country from India, and we were 4 or 5 of us spoke from India to 5 different cities to the USA, and this was daily feelings where our diaspora there is also looking at us, the soldiers. We wish to inform the country that the citizens, you are all safe because the soldiers are there. This unwritten thing, they will give their lives for protecting the integrity and sovereignty of this nation. The nation comes first, my comrades come the next, and my own comforts come last, always and every time. Wish you all the very best, citizens of our forces. Once again, bravo to you.